I hope I caught that on camera. I really hope I caught that on camera. Yep, I'm putting that in here. We're gonna leave that in.
What's that for?
I have no idea.
What the hell?
Hey. I don't think they can see it. Can y'all see his shoe?
Yo,
He's a clown. What is that? I don't know. Man, these mosquitoes out here.
What's up, BB gang? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon.
I gotta keep moving around because a lot of mosquitoes out here.
Yeah, it's mosquitoes, guys. They just tried to attack us a while ago.
That's why I sleep, because I'm trying to move around.
But anyways, guys, as y'all can see by the scenery, we are at the park right now. Oh, Lord, nope. Turn back around. We are at the park right now. We are going to be doing a little exercise.
Exercising now, Shane.
Doing a little nope, not today. Okay, babe, we need to do something. Ah! You caught my booty. Get this. Get this. I gotta feel for myself. Babe, we should put some off on.
I'm gonna get my same spot. What you mean, man? What you mean you tripping? I'm sweating already and I ain't started yet. Come over here, girl. Alright, guys, she say I'm gonna do a little, you know what I'm saying, little running this morning, you know what I'm saying, a little quick 30 minutes, 45 minutes, you know what I'm saying? Quick little fluggy. And then after we're done, we're gonna what we're gonna do, go get something to eat.
We're gonna get breakfast.
Get some breakfast. So you know what I'm saying? Beautiful day out there. Out here. Yes, sir. So journey with us, you see me? And guys, hope you guys didn't see when I was fall. Hope you guys didn't see it, because I don't know what happened right here, but we gonna start right now.
Okay, come on. I'm gonna record you running down the hill. Oh, look at you, almost fell.
You trying to set me up for failure.
Go, babe. He's so goofy. Look at him. Yay. My turn. He's so silly. Y'all see him? Now come back up. God dang it. These mosquitoes is like really in. Like we've been here 2 seconds and they... Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, my turn.
That's the workout for the day.
That's the workout for the day?
That's the workout for the day.
Shit, that's all I need to know. Okay, my turn.
Go ahead, fool.
What's up?
If you fall, go, fool. What the hell is you doing? You're shooting like Paul Pop when you're taking penalties. You're a clown. Now come back up. What the hell? Come back up. Come on now. High knees. You gonna bust your ass talking about high knees. You got 5 seconds. 5.
Yeah, I'm tired. I ain't worked out in like a year. Okay, I'm done.
How was you let it run?
Huh?
How was you let it run?
Oh Lord, I'm tired. But that's it. We done?
Huh? We just getting started, girl.
Oh my God. Oh.
You tired already?
I'm tired. Feelings.
Hey, chill. Hey.
Oh my God.
Okay, she's done.
I'm done. My arm hurt. One more arm hurt.
Do them stretches. Ooh, stretches, stretch.
See my, I got a big butt.
No you don't.
Oh, stop hating.
Stretch them knees out. What the fuck is he doing? Bruh.
Yeah, I should have seen his face like,
Like,
fuck you do it.
what is he doing?
What you doing?
Come on, stretch.
Ooh,
Come on. Come on, no. Come on.
I felt something right
I don't give it. Come on. Put your feet up here. Come on.
I felt it.
Hold it. Take your hand off. Hold it. No, take your hand.
Okay.
Take your hand off.
I'm about to fall.
Hold it.
Ow, ow.
Take your hand off.
Okay.
All right, come on. Next week.
I did say this one already.
Wait, we do that again. Come on.
Oh,
come on.
shit.
Stretch.
Why you pushing me all the way there?
Take your hand off. Stretch.
Hey.
Push this up. Push this up. Take your hand off. Okay. All right. Come on. All right, we're gonna do this now.
What?
Okay, my turn.
Let's turn, guys.
I can do that shit.
Yeah, you can. Go on, do it, baby.
Do this. Come on. We're gonna do this next.
What we doing? I don't think I can get all the way down like that.
Huh? What the fuck you trying to get behind me for? You about to mind?
Babe, I'm trying to get on the side of you. Anybody worried about behind you?
Do this next.
Huh? Okay. How long? How long I gotta do that for?
Don't worry about it. I'll tell you how long you're gonna do it.
Why it look like I'm the one that's doing all this, but...
Come on. Get down. Hey, man.
What?
Them knees gotta be straight. What you doing?
Stop.
Straighten them knees.
It is straight.
Go down.
That's the first I can go.
Right, hold it. Go down. Hey, man, don't you worrying about no damn ant. The ant scared of you. Come on now. Straighten them knees.
But they bite me.
Come on now.
I don't bite them.
All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, let's go.
What?
Come on.
Again?
Come on.
Shit.
Let's go.
Can you count? You gonna start counting? When you start counting? You counting? You gonna start counting?
If you don't shut up. Hey, I ain't saying get up, bitch. What you doing?
Me mother fall.
How you gonna fall?
You know I'm discombobulated.
How you gonna fall?
I balance out.
You sure you gonna fall? Backwards or forwards?
I don't know. I feel like I'm falling sideways.
All right, lift up. You're good. All right. Well, come on. All right, we're gonna do this now. All right. We out here. Outside.
Outside.
So this now. We're gonna lift our feet up, but we're not gonna touch the ground, okay?
What we gonna do then? How the hell we
gonna
gonna...
hold each position for 10 seconds.
Okay, go ahead. 1,
Oh, shit.
2. Look. You counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm very ahead of you.
Up, babe.
See, my feet ain't touch the ground. We're gonna do this side 10 times. Not 10 times, 20 seconds.
What he do? You seen that fly in between me? Disrespect. Oh, this wind feel good though. It almost fell. I don't remember. Man, you just doing. Okay. All right. Okay. You ain't do the other leg?
Oh.
Yeah, go on do the other leg. Trying to cheat.
You did the same leg too.
Oh, no, go ahead. I do both legs at one time. I mean, you know what I mean. Okay. You're about to fall. Oh, that yarn means I'm done. Okay. Y'all, if y'all need fitness training, come to your boy Jevy. He got y'all for the Lolo.
Why?
What? What?
On that.
The Lolo?
Bun up.
Bun up what?
Bun up on that. Careful.
Why bun up on that? Best set for the Lolo, like low price, cheap price.
Okay, what's over there? What do you work out?
I'm a big fine woman with your back stand up.
What was that?
That was my Turk session.
I feel like the tree was moving more than you.
Oh, man, I got a bump right here. You want to see it?
No, can you do your damn training?
Okay, what I'm doing?
You wasn't watching what I was doing?
1,
Okay.
2,
Man, if you don't
3.
let me-
Okay. How did you do it?
Do what you do. Hold it for 10 seconds.
I can go higher. Wait, nope.
Don't drop it. Hold it. Hold it.
Woo!
All right, next week. Don't touch the ground. Don't touch.
Oh, shit.
Start over. Come on, start over.
Start over.
Start your bum all over. Lift up again and do the same thing. I'm just level up. No, laugh it up. Come on. What the hell?
Where does dirt come from?
Your feet, stupid.
Babe. I told you my balance ain't what it is.
Stand up still, then. You leaning over 2-1. Stand. Keep it back straight. All right, you can put your feet down. Don't touch the ground. Catch your balance before you lift your feet up. The next feet up. What the hell is you doing?
Go ahead. What I'm doing next. Hurry up. This one's about to give out. Can I hold it? Why are you looking behind?
I'm gonna let that slide because you ain't holding your feet all the way out. I'm gonna let it slide. You can keep it.
I am.
All right, you can do that though. You see, I said the fish are torn. Next position. Come on. Next. Do this one now.
Huh?
You did this one?
I did that one. Hey, hold the camera.
Inside now.
Got the camera.
Yeah. Up first. No. You gotta bring them legs up.
Man,
I help you go. Shoot,
no. I got it. Go ahead. Back over there. Go ahead, go over there. Come on, start counting. I've been holding this for 30 seconds. 1, 2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10. 10.
She said 10, bro.
I got confused. You said on my goddamn go hill.
Yeah, she tired. You tired?
Heck yeah, I'm tired. Y'all, he work me to the bone. Even though we ain't did shit.
We're finna go look at running right now.
Run what?
Finna the jog.
What, from like here to that tree and then back?
You wanna do that? We can do, but we gotta do it for fast. We're gonna do fast though.
Fast? Babe, do you know how long it's been since I ran?
Gee.
I ran track.
Well, time is expired.
10th grade, I ran track. That's the last time I didn't run. Unless I gotta run for my life. From the popos. All right.
Ready?
The next Hussein Bolt. Ha! I'm training him. This is how I train Hussein Bolt. 1, 2, pop! That was a gun. I'm gonna say pop, and then you go. 1, 2, pop! Ooh! Y'all see that dust behind him? Y'all see that dust? Hussein Bolt. Hussein Bolt. I'm training next Hussein Bolt, y'all. What? That was Hussein Bolt?
Hell no.
Oh. I'm training next Hussein Bolt.
You next.
Okay, go ahead. Who's the girl? Who's the fastest runner?
Shelly and Fraser Price.
I'm her. Whatever you just said. Shelly and Fraser Price. Fraser Price. Okay, how much is it?
If you don't, what the hell? You gonna use two hands now?
No.
1.
Wait, hold on. Shit, my legs. I'm trying. Okay, come on.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, wait, I got to say pop. You gotta say pop.
You stupid.
You gotta do the gun.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, pop.
With some enthusiasm. Do you hear a gun pop like pop?
My nigga, alright, come on.
You hear a gun pop like pop?
Get your ass on, shut up now.
Okay, come on.
1, 2, 3, pop! Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. If you fall, I'm gonna laugh at you. Because I don't know why you're running with like a granny. What the? What the? Dad? Dad?
Wait.
Alright, I'm gonna go get it.
Almost put the goddamn hamstring. Wait, gotta get my breathing together. Who got it? Okay. 1, 2, pop! Babe. Babe. A 2-step. Babe, I'm weak. I can't laugh. What the hell was that? What was that? Why it look like you took off real like you Johnny Longlegs? Oh my God.
I did them high knees.
For real, you did them high legs. Man, I'm tired. What do we gotta do?
Alright guys, this is the end of our little workout. No,
why he trying to make me run all the way back to the car?
Yeah, we gonna run back to the car for.
That's far.
We gonna have to run back to the car. Yeah, look at you. She's so mad.
Look at my melanin. Let me see.
What?
My melanin. You know what that is?
No.
My brown skin.
Alright guys, we're probably gonna get something to eat right now, so we're gonna run to the car and then we go check back with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Come on, let's go. We gotta jog. Come on. Come on, come on.
I'm jogging.
Run.
That's what I'm doing.
Lift those. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Oh, give me a hand.
Do that.
Hold on real quick, guys.
Slow it down. Shit like that.
Come on, let's go. Yeah. That's what we're doing.
I should have wore a sports bra, but I ain't got one.
The fuck is that? But you see that?
Nope.
Bro, what is that?
Okay, guys, we just left out of Denny's. Right now, we are fat full. Oh, my arm hurt. We are fat full right now. It was so good. What you think, babe?
It was good.
It was alright? Yeah. Alright, guys, we're finna close this vlog out right here. So, go ahead and like this video. Comment in the comment section below. Babe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a video.